We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to be taking a look at this MS810 and we're going to show you how to replace the transfer roller. So if you've received a maintenance kit, it's going to come with the transfer roller to replace, and if you don't know what to do with it, we're going to show you how to go and replace that. First thing you want to do, anytime we're working on a printer, we always recommend turning it off. So make sure your printer's powered completely off. Once it's off, we're going to open this top access door and the front access door. We're going to remove your toner cartridge. We're also going to remove the imaging unit. And now that we've removed the cartridge and the imaging unit, if you look inside the printer, you'll see a foam roller with a blue gear on the right hand side. You just want to get your finger underneath that little blue gear and you can lift it up. You'll feel it kind of remove from its clip. And just twist it back and forth until you get it to release from its clip on the left hand side. And that's how you remove it. It's really simple, and we're going to do the exact opposite to put it back. Again, there's a little brass hole on the left hand side. You're just going to slide that in, and you're just going to twist it back and forth to get it to seat all the way in. There we go. And then you're going to reclip this blue gear side back into its little position. Once it's been reinstalled, we're going to reinstall our imaging unit and our toner cartridge. Close the front access door and the top access door. Turn the printer back on, and just like that, you're back up and printing, no problems. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.